Right, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. So today, what I'm going to do is part two of the chessboard. I'm going to show you how to finish this off. So as you can see, we've got quite a almost mirror-like finish on it. So I'll show you how we put the edging in, how to put the inlay in going around, and then also how to use some shellac to get a really fine finish. So as I say, I've never used shellac before, so I had a look on the internet, and I went from there. Right. Anyway, if you like what you see, as you've probably heard before, hit like and subscribe. Cut it to size. Now I'm just going to start rubbing it down with a bit of 180 in line with the grain. Because it's such a small surface, then we can do it by hand. So using a block will stop you from getting any flat or any ridges and whatever. What you're looking for is a flat surface. Yeah, do you want to learn how to make a gauge? Well, there's a video about that. Anyway, 10mm deep. You can see I've rebated it, but I've rebated it short, and then I'll rebate the back of the board because I wanted to keep a certain amount of thickness on this rebate. If I'd have put the full depth of the board through, we'd have had no strength in that. So. Yeah, right, that's good enough. That'll get where I want it to be. Welcome back. So we've finally got the chessboard out of cramps. We've got it all sort of framed up, and now we're on to the best bit, or the bit that I like the most is just the final planing up and to shape it. So I'm going to use this table. I'm going to put some blocks. I'm going to put this block against the back there, and then we'll just plane it off and get it level with the chessboard, and then we'll plane the edges, get them all parallel, and then we'll put an inlay in. Once you've got the inlay in, plane that off again, and then give it a sand, and then give it a finish. going to use super glue to stick this in. It may be a mistake, it may not be a mistake, I don't know. And the reason is because I just don't want to wait, you know, 2 or 3 hours, or, you know, 10 hours to plane this off and get. So that's come up quite well. So what I'm going to do next is we're going to get the finish on it. It's done all hard work. Now for the easy bit. Quite nice. Right, so there you have it. So it's one. I've done it once, but I may finish it again at some point. But as you can see, the finish, I'm really happy with the finish. So it's definitely worth persevering with the shellac, and I'll definitely use it again. And it's, you know, it's pretty cheap, and it's just a bit of patience really. But you will get a good finish. Right, there you go. That's how to make a chessboard. If you like the video, then just hit like and subscribe. Right, have a nice weekend, and I'll see you all later. Cheers, bye.